I'm Bobby G. I'm doing my thing, doing my thing. I'm doing my thing, doing my thing. And I'm in my lane.
I'm Bobby G. I'm doing my thing, doing my thing. Doing my thing, doing my thing. Doing my thing, doing my thing. I'm doing my thing. And I'm in my lane. Okay?
What's poppin', people? Blessings, peace, love, strength, all that good stuff. It's me, your girl, Bobby Jean, and I am here with a review slash mukbang, guys. I am doing a review on B Love's new garlic sauce. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I cheated. I tasted a little, and it's popping. It is popping. Guys, I'm so excited about it. But before I get started, I would like to send a huge shout out to my little cousin, Nade. I'm going to try to insert her picture somewhere, guys, or slide it on in. Nade has sponsored this video. Guys, Nade wanted to see me eat king crab legs, and you know your girl is always down for some seafood. So thank you, Nade. I love you, cousin. And also, guys, how did you guys like my cousin Portia's debut on my channel? She's in my intro, y'all. I love my family. They are so supportive. Thank you, family. Thank you, Portia. I love you, cousin. Okay, guys, we're about to get into this. I am starving. I have eaten nothing all day because I wanted to get my grub on with this. So, guys, this is the garlic sauce. Y'all know I love B Love's other sauce like very, very, very much because it's really spicy. This one, let's just see. Let's just get into it. Oh, let me tell you guys. I have H2O because it's hot in these streets, and I just wanted some really cold water, so I have that there. We have lemon, cucumbers, peppers, shrimp, crab. Look how huge this crab is, guys. And then I have broccoli, guys. And I'm about to tear this up. So how are you guys doing? I have my little bag down here. I hope everyone is blessed and highly favored because your girl is especially when she about to eat crab. Y'all, I'm doing a little dance because I'm excited about eating. Okay, wait, let me just break this. Oh my God. You guys, haven't we been here before? Ooh, Lord. Haven't we? This is my favorite part of the crab. Is this the knuckle? This is my most favorite part, guys. Oh, Lord. I'm finna tear this up. Oh my goodness. Guys, how y'all liking my, oh my goodness, wait a minute. My lipstick. It's eyeshadow lipstick, guys, because I couldn't find no green lipstick, so I did eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait a minute. What B Love be saying? Lemon rain. Okay, let me get like how she be getting it. Oh, goodness. I want to live on a boat. I want to live on a boat in the ocean, close to the crab, but dock by Amazon store so I can get this mango sauce, whatever I want. I'm happy. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute, but I'm for real hungry. Oh my gosh. Guys, is this the knuckle? Sure, it is most definitely my favorite part. Oh, it was yummy, yummy crab. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm sorry, Bobby. Oh my gosh. Babe, girl. I'm ready to scrap and something. Oh. Oh my goodness. Now guys, I hope I can get in here. Because y'all know I be having a problem. This sauce, I'm going to tell you guys honestly, because I know a lot of people are doing a review on this sauce. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Doing a review on this sauce. And we got a little kick. It's a little tiny spice. Just a little. If I can get up and shout, 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 I will shout. I would tear it up right now for this crab leg. Oh my goodness. I'm telling y'all, I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't be promoting anything. Well, I ain't promoting it, but saying I like something that I really don't like. Especially when I'm not going to get nothing for it. But this is popping. Mmm. 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 Oh my goodness, guys. Mmm. By the way, I made mine with vegan butter as usual. I'm so happy, guys. Mmm. 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 I'll tell you guys something. Deflection, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have to find this video. I took a little video. Why was I working out on my block the other day? Y'all know I've been going to the park, but I was on my block and I kept hearing this noise when I was in front of my house running on my trampoline. And deflection, it was a frog. There was a frog, a big, huge frog, and I thought, oh, guys, he just popped in the water. Oh my God, it's a frog. Look at him, look, he's a frog. I just taped 5 minutes of nothing. He is a frog. Look at him, look, he's in front of my, Mr. Frog, you got to go back to wherever you live. He was at my door, guys. I thought I was taping and I wasn't. I'm just out here minding my own business, walking. I decided not to walk at the park today. I said I'm going to walk out here and do the trampoline. After I do like a mile, then I come back and then I run for 15 minutes on the trampoline. And then I walk again. Yeah, get out, go. Y'all seen him? He was at my door, y'all. I thought I was taping. I always have to remember to hit and start filming because y'all know I'm so scary. Y'all see him being still. Y'all see him being still. He's really a real frog. If he effing jumps off, or whoever I send this to, I'm gonna die. Can you see him good? I'm not gonna get too much closer because that's it. Ah! Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I stepped on a rock, y'all. I thought he was going to kill me. I said you jinxed me. Shrimp, y'all. Oh, Lord. Guys. Y'all have to try this sauce. Let me tell y'all something, too. This sauce. Oh, my God. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Today you're gonna want some of this sauce, girl. Wait a minute. My mommy liked it. My sister liked it. I forgot what I was talking about, guys. This thing on sauce so dang on good. Oh, that's what I was saying. This packet is much smaller than the other sauce packet, but it's a lot in here. You hear me? It is so much in there. It's you know, I have to honestly say that I am very impressed with our YouTube sister, B-Love. She is really doing her thing. I'm proud of her. Blessings, peace, love, strength, all that good stuff, sis. You're just such an inspiration. I mean, she has this bomb sauce, guys. It's good. And I can see why it's selling out. I keep looking to make sure I don't have to touch up my lipstick, guys. Because as I said before, oh Lord. This is eyeshadow. But I'm not gonna fight. I'm not gonna fight. I'm not fighting y'all. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Let me just break this part off. And then we'll get back to that. Look at this, y'all. Y'all, did you guys see my other video? My last video with my best friend and my cousin. I seen how she worked me. Well, I've been going hard since then, but not up no hills and down no valleys. Okay? Just, oh my, look at that. Y'all want something already? God. I can't hold it out that far because y'all see all of this on there. Go on. Come on, listen to my cousin Portia. I know she wants some of this delicious crab. Hilda DC, Chels Lorraine Live, Finding Chels Lorraine Live. Y'all go on and get some. Go on and get some. Tyrone Morgan, go on and get some. Bishop Mike, let me see. Trill Beauty Tea, Babe, go on and get some. Wait a minute, this is for raising greatness. Guys. I want to need all my crab. Thank you, Nadine, for buying this king crab for your cousin, girl. Mama. Give me some of them good old onions. Not gonna be that sloppy, y'all. Can I get in here? I can't get in there. I can't get in there. Y'all, this crab hurts so bad. It hurts. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try to cut this way. I need some better scissors. These aren't crab scissors. These are my kitchen scissors. Just my scissors that come with the nice. Oh my goodness. Ooh, when a girl is greedy and she sees some crab. Okay, wait a minute. You're not gonna fight me, crab. You're gonna come up out of here. Y'all, that's when y'all know people greedy. When they start talking to the food, come on up out of there. You're about to go down my throat. I'll be like, goodness. And look at me. That's why you don't talk about people and judge them. Because you wind up doing the same thing sooner or later. Okay, let me squeeze some of this good old lemon. Okay, let me just dip that on in there like that. Like that right there. This is good. I can't really say what this tastes like to me. I'm gonna be back, y'all. I'll be right back. My eyeshadow lipstick is coming on off, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. Your girl is back. I had to touch up my lips because this eyeshadow, y'all. And for you guys who want to know what palette I use, this is the Juvia's Afrique by Juvia's. That is the palette that your girl used. Okay, let me get back into this because this is popping. I need a little bit of water. Guys, it is hot. Yes, 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 yes. This is so good. Okay, let me get back into this. Guys, this crab was so dang on expensive. I was like, thank you today. I don't gotta pay for it. Onion. If this lip come off again, it's a wrap. Let's see how the cucumber works with them. Let's do onions, guys. I didn't have Sprite in here or the pickled ginger, only because I don't drink pop, and I didn't have pickled ginger. Oh, it's delicious. I hear that little ASMR crunch. I'm not gonna even try to get, you know what? I don't even care about that. I can't try to. It's too much work, guys. But I can do this part right here. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, that was an easy break. I was being dramatic, but that was a sort of kind of easy break. Sort of, kind of. Guys, I keep saying, is this the knuckle? Oh, other part this one, this is my favorite. Y'all know it's good if I ain't I'm telling y'all no stories and stuff. But I will, even though I'm just really eating, I will say that I hope everyone is blessed on this day. I hope everyone has a blessed week. I hope everybody eating good. Eating good in the hood. Wherever your hood is, I hope you're eating good. Ow. I don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. Let me try to shove it out this way. When you do a mukbang and you super hungry, and your food is seasoned, okay, I'm gonna fight for all that. Let me see, can I break this right here? Can y'all see these spikes? I don't know, do I? Oh my gosh, do I like crab that much that I am willing to injure myself? The answer is yes. I am that grating. Okay, I want this popping all in my eye. Popping all in my eye. Okay, let me I'm gonna tear it up. Y'all, I've been grabbing. I'm enjoying myself doing mukbangs. But I am, guys, really trying to drop weight. So, okay, my hands. Wait a minute, Bobby. You have napkins, girl. Use your napkins. You can't even hold the lemon. Honey child. Okay. Oh, I still can't. So it wasn't really on me. You guys know I'm working out. I'm joining in with my girl. It's Clarice, Boss Lady Denise. Of course, always Frugal Mama Boys. I'm trying to get in. I'm in it to win it. Okay. So this is my big day that I'm eating or whatever, because I am watching every step I take, every move I make. Lord, it's good. Y'all, this is so good. Oh, it's so good. This is bomb. I'm sorry, man. Okay, that's all I'm gonna eat, guys, because I am being a pig. Oink. Oink. Produce broccoli. Oh, I didn't eat no broccoli. Wait, I gotta eat a little piece of broccoli. Okay, I'm not gonna do a little piece of I don't like my broccoli like all super soft, like overcooked. I like that little crunch. And this is good with vegetables, guys. Okay, guys. That's it. I'm gonna have a little bit of water. I had grabbed. I appreciate you guys for watching my mukbang. Guys, if you want some bomb sauce, this is Beela's new garlic sauce. Get into it, guys. Get into it. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. And I would like to send a quick shout out to my mama because I love my mama. My mama is so sweet, guys. She is just so absolutely lovely. Thank you so much, mommy, for everything that you do. Also, guys, I would like to send a shout out to my dad. Rest in peace. It was my dad's birthday the other day. I love you, Daddy. I love you. Yes, and I would like to say, and if you like this video, please do me a favor and like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you like my video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you like my video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you like my video. Deuces, 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 deuces. y'all. I love you, my Bobby dolls. Be blessed, guys. Have a great week. See you next week.
I'm Bobby Jean. I'm doing my thing, doing my thing.